Major stock market gauge is set to snap a 2-week losing streak with markets ready to open higher. This morning in a shortened trading session, with stocks sitting near record highs, companies are saying goodbye to buybacks. Joining us now is Ted Oakley, Oxbow Advisors managing partner. Ted, is that going to be a headwind for the stock market, you think, in the coming months?
Well, I don't know about that. I mean, you've seen quarters in the past where they've lowered their numbers they were buying back. You know, it's something that's been really in vogue the last 10 years. I've never really been in favor of it that much, but I don't think it's a pattern yet that you'll be able to sit with until you go out maybe 4 or 5, 6 quarters out, and then you'll know where they're headed with it.
Hey, Ted, Mike Block, good morning. So, maybe buybacks are dying down given valuations, but based on companies that you've talked to, how you see things playing out, are companies more excited about, say, hiring more workers or spending more on capital expenditures given the current tax bill and how that may be pro-business? Is that something you're focusing on here?
Well, I don't put as much emphasis on that, Mike, as most people do, because I think these corporations will not spend as much as people think they will. They've had money in the past, and they spend a lot of money on buybacks for various reasons. And I can show you so many corporations where over the last 5 years the revenues and the bottom line are basically even, but the numbers look better because of buybacks.
But let me jump in here, and this is an ongoing debate. Do you think that the stock market prices are reflecting, sorry, looking over here, do you think that the stock market prices are reflecting real value, or do you think there is some irrational exuberance in the expectation that this tax bill will get passed?
Well, if you look at the numbers, if you just go back and look at the S&P 500 numbers for last November, November 16, you'll see they were about $132 roughly per share, and I think now they're about $130, $150. And so you really haven't had an increase in numbers. You've just had an increase in the market. So I think it's more of an exuberance about what's going on as opposed to real-life numbers.
Ted, it was great to see you this morning. A happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for getting up so early for us.
All right, thanks.
Take care, Ted Oakley.